Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the average atomic mass of chlorine using the following data. Here they have given two isotopes of chlorine, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. The natural abundance of chlorine 35 is 75.77 and for chlorine 37 it is 24.23. See, and you can see the molar mass, actual molar mass of both isotopes. We have to find the average atomic mass of these two isotopes. For finding the average atomic mass, you must know this equation. Molar mass of first isotope, here it is 34.9689 into its percentage by 100. What is that? 75.77 by 100 plus molar mass of second isotope, this value, right, into its percentage 24.23 by 100. On calculating we will get 35.45 gram per mole. Hope all of you understand.